So using the app out in the field, it's a lot more friendly. It's not getting dirty. Papers aren't flying everywhere. Your pens aren't freezing up or getting dirty. So using the app in the field, it's night and day. It's way better for the guys to get their jobs done more efficiently.
User-friendly. It's very user-friendly. Anybody could pick it up and figure out how to use it.
The biggest surprises were, to me, were just how it's just touch and go, really. There's not scrolling through a bunch of stuff, and like I said before, it just dummied it down, made things quicker.
What's changed using Resco Tech makes my job a lot easier. I'm not waiting for paper to come in from the field guys and manually entering it, so it's definitely freed up a lot of my time and repetitiveness of reinventing the wheel, basically, taking the paper and manually entering it. Saves me the time doing that I can take time to do other projects that are needed of me.
One of the biggest things I like about it is they're up for change. Like, it's not, this is the way it is and that's the way it's gonna be. It's like, hey, we would like to try this. I mean, just recently we were talking about an autosave program. It's not like it's a cut and dry type of app that there's a lot more growth to it.